Good evening, guys. So, welcome back to another video. So, today I am going to be celebrating the 6,000 views on 2 videos, only 2, with 50 subscribers. That's amazing. So, since Halloween is right around the corner, we are going to make a Halloween poster. So, if you know how a Halloween poster looks like, it's, well, you know, a Halloween poster. Yeah, a Halloween poster. So, you know, that's kind of the poster we're going to be making today. So let's get to it. So first, you want to get a white paper. If you want to paint this, no problem. I'm not going to paint it now. Maybe in another video if you get like the most likes on earth. So, you know, let's get to it. So, what we need to do first is, so it's your choice. If you want to do a happy Halloween or a Halloween of like above here, like anywhere. So yeah. Yeah. So I'm just gonna write Halloween since it's easier. Let's do that. Okay. Sorry if it's taking too long, but you know. You could just skip, okay? You could just skip this part. So yeah. You can just do something like this. Something like this, what we have here. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah. So, now, what you can do, sorry, it was stuck with. So, now, you can just draw something over here. So maybe what you can do is you can, sorry if it's moving too much, but so what you can do now is like you can just do this. Sorry if there's background talking, it's just you just don't understand. And you could just draw something. So yeah. So what you can do is draw something over here. So you see there's like a Halloween sign. And then we just draw like a pumpkin. So on mine, we're gonna draw a pumpkin. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it, how to do it. Okay. So one way to do it is make a circle, like an oval circle. And then you can just make a little stem. Then so, not sure if you heard the talking, but you don't understand. So then, you just draw this. Sorry if it's a little bad, but I have a little bit time to do all this work. So then, there's eyes, and then a nose. Then you can just draw it. And then a mouth. Okay. So yeah. Now we're done with this. Now, what we can do is draw a ghost. And then you draw an angry ghost. Just like so. And you like cover the eyes. And then you can just draw a serious face. And then over here, you can draw maybe another ghost. So there'll be a ghost that's behind the pumpkin. Now, and then you can draw colors in. Then you can do a crying ghost. Then you can do yeah. Oh yeah. And then you can draw the moon. So I hope you guys liked this video. I want to thank you guys so much for the 5,000 views. And that is kind of crazy, but you know, it's all fine. And I'm not sure if you've seen, but Niall, are you going to create your own YouTube channel? Really? Yeah. You completely lost your mind. You should start a YouTube channel soon. Yeah. I want. Bye, guys. Also, please subscribe because this video is going to be the best video. And please comment what thing you would like to do. Please like and turn on the notifications. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.